Melting the greatest cap gun in the world. Giving him one of those like Roman funerals. Lit him on fire.
Roman kid.
Like
the funerals when they light the guy on fire.
and push him out to sea, but you know, we don't really have a...
We don't have a seat. Oh no.
The trigger guard.
Fell off, melted. This is really bad for the environment right now.
I know, I'm covering my face.
Yeah, dude, why are we doing this?
Doing the pyro.
No, I mean, not do anything, they're not plastic.
That's good enough. And just like chuck it down the hill.
Get some water.
This is lovely.
Isn't it?